Hello students, welcome to CREATA Classes. I am Gurmeet Singh and also welcome to our series on areas related to circles. In this series, we will cover all these lectures using the power of animation and the visualization. The link to all the lectures are given in the description. Check it out. Apart from all this lecture, we are also having the formula list and the quizzes. The PDF of the formula and the concept list will help you to brush up the concept, and the quizzes will help you to check your preparation, the level of preparation before the exam. Check the link in the description. In this lecture, we will cover exercise 11.1, question number 11 to question number 14. So without taking any further time, let's start with this lecture. Here it is, and best of luck. Let's start with question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So this is the question. Firstly, let's observe the question. In this question, we are having a car which is having two wipers, and these two wipers are not overlapping with each other. That is, these two wipers are separate to each other, and the length of the wiper is given as 25 cm. And these two wipers are sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. That is, this sweeping angle is 115 degree. And we have to find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. It means we have to find the area of the shaded region of both the blades. The total area that these two blades will clean on a single sweep. Let's see. Basically, this question is asking us to find the area of the sector whose angle theta is 115 degree and the radius is 25 cm. We can draw a complete circle on both the wipers. This is the complete circle and the sweeping area is the sector. And we have to find the area of both the sectors. Both the sectors are basically same. Both are having same angle as 115 degree and the radius is also same as 25 cm. So let's apply the formula. For the first sector, it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 115 and radius is 25 cm. And the area of the sector in both the case is same. So total area will be twice. Both the area are same. Let's solve it. We got our answer as 1254.96 centimeter square. That is the total area cleaned by the blades. Got it? So we have done with the question number 11. Let's move to question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So this is the question. Firstly, let's observe the question. This question is talking about a lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. And this lighthouse is spreading a red color light over the sea to warn the ships about the underwater rocks. And this light is spreading across a sector of angle 80 degree up to a distance of 16.5 km. This angle of the sector is 80 degree and this distance of the sector is 16.5 km. In this region or in this area, the lighthouse is spreading the light to warn the ships. And we have to calculate the area of this sector. So this is the question. If we take lighthouse as a center point and draw a circle with the radius as 16.5 km, we can form this circle. And this region, the region at which the lighthouse is emitting the red light, this is the sector. So basically in this question, we have to find the area of the sector. Here the angle theta is given as 80 degree and the radius is given as 16.5 km. Simple, let's use the formula of area of the sector. We know theta and radius, let's put it. On solving, we got our answer as 189.97 km square. That is the answer of the question. Students, an important thing for you, check the description for the PDF of the complete formula list and also the link to the quiz. Use the formula list to brush up the concept before the exam and the quizzes to check your preparation before the exam. The link to both the formula list and the quizzes are given in the description. Check it out. So let's back to the lecture. So we have done with the question number 12. Let's move to question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, Find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So this is the question. Let's observe the question. A round table cover is given, and this cover is having a beautiful design on the 6 sides. The radius of the cover is given as 28 centimeter. The rate of the design is also given, which is 0.35 rupees per centimeter square, and we have to find the total cost of the design. So let's approach the question. In this question, basically we have to find the total area of the design. Once we got the total area, we can multiply it with the unit cost, that is rupees 0.35, and we will get the final cost of the design. So we will find the area of the design portion. So how we will approach that? Let's see. Let's take only the one design. The complete cover is having the 6 design. We will only take the one design. Let's join these 2 points with the center point. Can we say this is a segment for this circle? Yes, this line segment is acting as a chord. And segment is a region between the chord and the arc. So this is a segment. So basically we have to find the area of this segment. How we will find the area of the segment? Area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So we have to find the area of the sector and area of the triangle to find the area of the segment. So firstly, let's find the area of the sector. For area of the sector, this is the formula. We need two inputs. One is theta and second is radius. Radius is given in the question as 28 centimeter. Theta is missing, the angle is missing. So firstly, let's find the angle. The complete revolution around the center of the circle, it is 360. And we are having total 6 design. If we join all these points with the center, we are having total 6 sectors. The complete revolution angle is 360 degree, which is divided into 6 equal parts. So each part angle will be equal to 360 degree upon 6, that is 60 degree. So we got our theta angle as 60 degree. Now we can easily find the area of the sector. Let's use the formula. We got area of the sector as 410.66 centimeter square. So we got one part of the question. Let's find the area of the triangle. Here this angle is 60 degree, and in the previous questions we have done that once this angle is 60 degree, our triangle is an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle. If you have not done that question, just go to the description, you will find the link to that video. So we got this triangle as an equilateral triangle with the length of the side as 28 centimeter. And we know the formula of area of equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side of this triangle. Let's put a as 28. We got area of the triangle as 333.2 centimeter square. We got area of the sector. We also got area of the triangle. Now we can find area of the segment, which is area of sector minus area of triangle. Let's put the value. On solving, we got area of the single design or area of the segment as 77.46 centimeter square. This area is 77.46 centimeter square, and we are having total 6 equal design. Equal design, that is area of all of these 6 designs will be equal to each other. We got area of one design. Let's find the area of all the 6 designs, which will be 6 times area of the single design. Let's put the value. We got area of the 6 design as 464.76 centimeter square. The unit cost of the design is given as rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Let's multiply it with the total area. We got the final cost as rupees 162.66. That is the final answer of the question. Got it? These are the practical type of questions and are really interesting. So we have done with the question number 13. Let's move to question number 14. Question is, take the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of angle P in degrees of a circle with radius R is, 4 options are given. In this question, we have to find the area of the sector. And we know area of the sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here angle theta is given as P and radius is given as capital R. Let's put the variables. So we got P upon 360 degree into pi r square. So if you observe the four options, none of the options are exactly matching. Firstly, let's cancel out A and C. Both are having 2 pi r. In our case, it is pi r square. So only B and D are matching. If you observe the D, here it is given P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. Here we can solve 2 upon 720. 2 into 360 is 720. So we got P upon 360 into pi r square. So our answer is option D. That is P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. Very simple question, just an MCQ type of questions. Got it? We have done with the question number 14. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, like, subscribe and share this lecture. And do not forget to check out the PDF of the complete formula list and also the link to the various quizzes. The link is in the description. So best of luck for the exam you are preparing for. Bye for now and have a great day.